I think my sump pump pipe is frozen. The water won't come out, so obviously snow melting, freezing, melting, freezing, melting, freezing. I have a really crappy system here where it's just lying on the ground. It comes out way on the bottom there. I'm gonna redo it and put it way on top. Have it lying up above the ground. And it doesn't help. You got a metal roof. All the snow falls right there, so I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna do it the right way. But these guys. Okay, now I'm gonna drill a hole for the new PVC pipe coming through the basement wall. Oh yeah, before the this old PVC sump pump pipe was actually on the bottom, sitting right on the ground. No incline, or so the water backed up and froze. This one I'm going to put toward the top. That way I'll have a slant coming down and the water won't be sitting in there freezing. Ah, you piece of shit. Yeah, success. Right there. Nice. We're going to have probably 5, 10, probably, I don't know, 15 feet out here. Yeah, that'll work. I want it away from the house because otherwise it's just going to go on the ground and go back in the house. So, put 2 of them. And at least I got a slant on it now. So I'm gonna put, I got a brake disc. I'm gonna put that on the bottom, and then some pump could sit up on here, so I won't be sucking up all the sediment that comes in through the walls. Yeah. Oh, then, okay, so this, I'll screw on there, and then I'm gonna I'll cut this pipe in half. I'm gonna put a piece on here, you know, and then I'll glue it, and then I'm gonna put this on top. You know, that way, if the motor goes out, you know, I can take this off and take the pump out. Otherwise, it's going to be really difficult to take the pump out. And at least I got a slant on it now. So Well, there she is. I'll have to put some water in there and make sure everything looks good. I got a 50-gallon barrel of water to make sure everything's nice and tight. Then if something happens, I can disconnect it here and take out the pump. There goes it outside. Let's just see if it works. I was going to put a check valve in here, so after it's done pumping, it can't come back in the basement. But I was thinking, you got a check valve, then all the water is going to be sitting, you know, what doesn't get pumped out there, probably from like maybe here all the way down. It'll be sitting in here. It's going to probably freeze right up there. So I decided not to do that. Can I get some more water in there? I'll just try it. Oops, didn't stay on it. Well, nothing leaked in the basement, so, and I can tell the water came out at the end here. So, I think we're all good for now. Yeah, this should work. Huh.